Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia Shanice. Today's video is from MegaLook's hair. This is a balayage lace frontal wig. It's 22 inches and 180% density. Before I get into all the details about the hair, I do want to do an unpackaging. So it did come by UPS. These are all the goodies that came with this wig. It came with some lashes. It also had a pouch that also had some more lashes. It had a wig clip, an edge brush, and a wig cap, as well as a elastic band to protect your lace.
Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
So the wig came in this bag. On the bag it does say 22 inch. And it comes in like a Ziploc bag, so if you wanted to store it again, you can. So highlighted wigs or balayage wigs have never been my favorite, I hate to say. But this wig, when I give y'all all the details of this wig, y'all will fall in love. So this wig, of course, it has a net, it has the paper on the inside. I was surprised by the full frontal. It has a full frontal from ear to ear. Y'all see this color? So I know this color has been trending for a very long time, and I fell in love with the color. The color is like a toned 613-27 color, so I was real hyped about it. Y'all know usually highlighted wigs come in like a brown, but this wig was gorgeous because it was dark with those tone highlighted. Oh my gosh, I loved it. So I was so excited. And the wig is thick. So, you know, it says 180% density, y'all. This wig feels like 200. It's so thick, like. So not only is this hair very thick, it actually has a lot of bounce, and it's actually very full from the roots all the way to the tips. And no, I'm not saying that, like, y'all can see that. And I actually trimmed it at the very end. I trimmed it for that blunt look. And this wig is still extremely long for 22 inch. Y'all, it comes to like the top of my butt. Like, it's actually really long, but it's so thick, and all the cuticles are aligned. I didn't really have flyaways with this wig. The knots are very thin. Not the knots are thin, but the knots are small, like really small. The hair bleached, the knots bleached really good. The lace is very thin, so it melts. It really melts. Like, this is definitely a 10 out of 10. Like, but in this part, I did not install it yet. Y'all will see that later, but I am just giving you a full view of this wig. It stretches very good. It fits my head perfectly. Again, I didn't use that elastic band that's installed. It's actually too big. But it does have the adjustable ones at the bottom, as well as the wig clips. But, you know, I don't use the wig clips, but this is definitely a 10 out of 10 wig. Full. I didn't get no shedding at the time. But later on, I did receive just a little bit of shedding, but it's very thick, so I can actually understand why. But I love this wig. Wait till y'all see the results. I'm so excited about it. Keep watching. So I do already have my bald cap. I use Ruby Kisses as my foundation to put on my bald caps. When you are applying a wig, you do want to try not to put anything really greasy underneath. So try to be aware of any kind of makeup or foundation that has a lot of oils. So it will make your actual install last a little bit longer if you try to avoid any oils. So whatever you use, just use a light layer. Don't really cake it up on there. After I do the makeup, I do go in with an alcohol pad and I just clean up, because who wants to break out? And not this one right here. I do not want to break out. I don't want to have an allergic reaction with all the buildup. So definitely make sure you clean your hairline before applying glue. So this is actually what the wig looks like, y'all, and I actually plucked it. I actually think I do a pretty good job at plucking, but you know, as you can see, I need to go back in again. So I did that later. Y'all will see. I actually plucked it a little bit later, but it's very thick. It's giving very cheetah pet. So it's very thick, but it looks good. I love the way the color looks when it's wet. But I basically just look to see what it's gonna look like. I never thought I had a low hairline, but my temples are actually kind of low, and I should have left that out, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna make it do what it do, and I'm just gonna put down. I did put about 3-4 layers of glue because I actually want this wig to stay on for a very long time. Like, y'all don't understand how I actually really like this wig. It's so beautiful. Like, it's really, really nice. It's really nice. So I wanted this wig to stay on for a very long time. So I did put about 3-4 layers of glue down. And after that, I go in with my foundation, the same one that I use on my ball cap, and I put it on the inside of my wig. And that's when I apply my wig. And once I apply it, of course, I just press it down into it and just make it really stick and tacky.
No stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
So as you can see, the hairline looks very thick after I have plucked it. Y'all, I don't even know how I installed this wig today. I basically had to cut a lot off. Like, my temples come out further than my actual forehead, so don't ask why I put it all the way basically on my actual hairline, so it looks like my forehead's huge. But thank God for baby hairs, because if it wasn't for baby hairs, I wouldn't know what to do. But I just installed this like totally different, and I was in a rush. I do hair, so I had a client coming and I was trying to hurry up and pluck, and y'all, it wasn't coming together. So I actually did the styling and baby hairs off camera. I do apologize, but I did install the video. But I did have to actually style it off camera the next day. Y'all, I was tired. This video was taken like late at night, so I was tired and I was trying to get done with it.